Hey everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw some fried chicken drumsticks, okay? So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with a squashed round shape like that. Yeah, really easy. Then to close off this shape, we're going to do some jagged lines. And then some straight lines coming out, just like that. Perfect. Then to finish this long shape, we're gonna do two rounded shapes at the end. And see, this is the bone of the chicken, and here's the chicken meat. Next, let's give our chicken leg some big eyes. Perfect. Add some lines underneath the eye. And let's add those pupils in. Good job. Let me add some eyebrows and a little mouth. Perfect. And then I think this chicken leg needs some hair. Not something you want to eat, but it's really cute. Maybe some detail around. And maybe some arms for our little chicken leg. And there, we have a little chicken leg character. Good job. Okay, next we're gonna draw one more chicken leg, but this is gonna be a Bubba grumpy chicken leg. So let's do that rounded shape. We'll go jagged again. A couple lines coming out. The rounded shape for the bone. And now let's move back over to the face. A straight line. Some rounded lines underneath. Let's fill in those pupils. Some lines underneath again. And then let's draw a big grumpy mouth with some grumpy teeth. And then the tongue, some lines underneath the chin, some creases for the mouth pulling down. Then let's give this grumpy chicken some hair too. Just like that. Some small little details. Maybe let's give this chicken leg some arms coming off here on the side. Just like that. And then one over here. Perfect. And there we have a grumpy chicken leg. Yay! Thank you so much for drawing along with me today. You did such a good job. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!